Hi guys, so today we're going to make another ghoul or goblin or whatever you want to call it, since Halloween is what, next week and fast approaching. So I figured I'd get one more Halloween resin mold done. So I pre-mixed 100 grams of resin, 2-part epoxy offline. I added some Let's Resin dye, light green, just a couple drops just to kind of get like a lime green, like almost like a slime look. So I'm going with I guess a slimer type color. And just scrape off my stick. So I pre-mixed all this offline just to save some time. It's a lot easier than, you guys sitting there watching me pour and mix and stir resin. So it's just nice and quick and easy to get to the good stuff. And sometimes that's what you want to do, is just get to the good stuff. So like I said, I got 100 grams here, and we're going to pour it in. If I need more, I'll make more, but I don't think so. I think 100 grams is enough for this mold. Yeah, it's almost full. I might have a little extra, but that's okay. I'll throw that in another mold. And this resin is really good at degassing itself and making stuff, I would say 95, 98% clear of bubbles. I haven't had any issues with it. Just give it a fill. There are a couple small spots in there that you might want to just kind of give it a couple taps. And then what we'll do is, I used alcohol inks, so I can't use a lighter to burn off any bubbles on top because of the alcohol inside of the inks. Obviously, it would catch fire. But other projects that I've done where I've let it sit, the bubbles have really cleared up real nice. So, like I said, just give it a couple taps, work any bubbles that are on the bottom. If you have any questions about what kind of resin I use, there's a link in the description to Amazon to the stuff that I use. There's also other links there too. There's a link to my website. So please, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I try and put out new content at least every couple days to at least once a week. If you guys have any suggestions, please leave a comment in the comment section, and we can try and work something out. If you have suggestions on colors or patterns, or I'm game to try anything. So if there's something that you see you like and something you want to see me try, please, please, please feel free to let me know. I do answer back all my comments as fast as I can, so don't think that comments go unseen, because they don't. So if you have any comments or concerns or questions, please feel to reach out to me. So we're going to let this sit for 24 hours, and we will come back and demold. So I will see you in 24 hours, but for you guys, that will be any second now. So see you then. Alright, so this guy's been sitting for 24 hours. He's nice and cured, so let's demold and see what we got. I really like this mold. I think this guy's pretty cute. Alright. Actually looks like a piece of gummy candy. It turned out pretty decent. No bubbles, no flaws. So that's what you got. It's final project. Looks like he would glow in the dark. So like I said, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. It really helps with getting my videos out there. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I try and post at least once a week, if not more. So here's the final shot, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.